Welcome to Binance Market Pulse, where we decode crypto trends with clarity and precision. I'm Shahid, and today we're diving into a heavyweight matchup, BNB versus ETH, two titans with radically different origins, use cases, and trajectories. That's your deep dive into BNB versus ETH. Whether you're building, trading, or investing, understanding these two coins is essential to navigating the crypto landscape. I'm Shahid. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and I'll catch you on the next Binance Market Pulse.